Don't make me touch your dick. Me don't want touch. No, women are so.
Mijeezas me no love man. No, Mijeezas me no love man. My girl come and diss me. Mijeezas.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Mijeezas Tab Nation, welcome to another Tabizzle Prime update.
What's so funny?
Oh yeah, look do that. Mijeezas Tab Nation, welcome to another Tabizzle Prime update. I don't know the YouTube gang out there, bro. Mijeezas, we have a very special guest with it today, bro. Deli Fever. You can introduce yourself, you know?
Hi, I'm Deli Fever.
Anyways, bro. Good. Today, right? We're finna do a challenge called Touch My Body Challenge.
Bruh.
So basically, that challenge is like she gonna wear like a blindfold. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna make you like touch a particular part from her body, and she have to
This is
guess
going to be
which part she touch.
This is gonna be trash.
Vice versa.
I want to start.
Mijeezas. But I gotta do it to them different.
I love men.
You love men. I finished it. Ready? You ready? Alright, so you're ready right now, bro. Show some make a start. I'm creative. You ready?
Yeah,
You can't say shit.
I know. So I took it off.
Alright, you gotta hold my hand. I'm gonna guess. But the hell I touch my
You're so nervous.
Yes, really already start sweat.
Why are you sweating, bruh?
Oh god. Your jaw? Your cheek.
Yeah,
Your cheek, right?
it's my cheek.
Okay, cool. Says no. Alright, you can't look, you know? You can't look, alright. Well,
I feel like it's about to be inappropriate.
I know, right?
This is your knee.
Yeah, why the hell? Oh,
This is your knee.
No, because they touched my knee the first
No.
time. Alright, I'm ready. Your neck. It's so obvious. Like, it's so this is your play.
I was trying to put it right here, but it wasn't working. The f is that?
You have to guess.
Why did it feel like that? What the f?
You have to guess.
Yo!
Hold on, you have to guess. You have to guess.
Ew!
What is it? Come.
Bruh.
You have to guess, yo. You have to guess. Hold on, stop.
Is that your nose?
No. No.
Nobody come try come make me pick your nose, you know?
Come to stop, man.
Ugh!
What is it? Guess.
I don't know! But it ain't your nose! I don't know what the f it
You
is!
give up? You give up? You give up? You give up?
I feel like my hand needs to get sanitized.
You give up or not?
Let me go get the hand.
Do it on.
Yeah, go man. I'm gonna take your time. I'm taking my time.
Take your
Me
time.
nah do it. Me didn't even reach it. Guess. Come here. It's obvious. It's somewhere upon my body. Guess. She can't even guess right now, bro.
Is it your name called?
Yeah, it's somewhere upon my body. I give her.
Your ear.
Yeah, my ears. Hey, listen.
Go get me a washcloth now.
We never have no rules in the game. Anyways, I'm ready. And don't go on disgusting, no, Deli. I'm serious. I'm not joking. Deli, please. I was just joking earlier.
Okay, great.
Alright? Jesus God, hold on.
What?
What y'all do?
I'm not doing anything.
No! You feel close. Stop. Wait. What y'all do? Alright, I'm ready. Alright. Oh my God. What am I touching? Alright, I'm ready.
You sure?
Yes. Oh,
You
God.
sure?
Oh my God. What's this? This feel. What is your mouth?
No.
Your nose? Oh my God.
It's not my nose.
What is it? Your eyelash. Your eyelash? Are your eyelash or not? Is it eyelash?
Yes!
Okay. Probably 3 or 4 more.
Them is gonna come with the
Nah,
nastiness
come
in the
with the
mind.
nastiness, man.
I would have come back.
Chill.
I'm afraid like puss right
You
now.
not do nothing. We not do nothing wrong. Come on, man. What is it?
Armpit! Disgusting! Man, we can't tap out. We can't tap out.
No, we have 2 more. We have 2 more to go. 2 more and we're done. That's nasty though. Me know, me feel bugu. Bugu up on my hands right now.
Bogo?
Yes, bugu.
You wearing the thing outside.
Alright, hold on. I feel where it go. So it go up top, so it should be bad. This easy. Your eyes. Our eyes, right? Our mouth. Oh shit. Under your chin. Under your nose. Your lips. What the fuck? What is that? Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Oh my god. This it just feel why feel like a hole? It feel like a hole there. This it just feel are your dimples? Your teeth. This shit nasty, yo. Why my hand feels so slimy?
Oh no. Yeah, wait, how many guess you get?
3? I think we get like 4 or 3. I think your tip of your mouth. What the fuck? Your corner of your mouth. Your lip.
You can't touch up stuff. We gonna try black man. We know where it is.
I mean, your lip. Your lip.
You never go like this.
Are your lip right?
No.
Me give up. What is it?
I'm a cheek.
Oh shit. Dang, that was so easy, dog. That's unfair, bro. Come and get the cheek earlier.
I'm sorry, you don't know how to fucking contour, so you don't know that motion of the mouth.
Me cheese a long time in a kiss.
Really, nigga?
Cut that. Cut. Oh my god.
If you ever
Me not do nothing, man.
don't make me touch your belly button.
Listen, it's not the belly button. Go, me not make you touch the belly button.
If you touch it, you're pole.
No.
Don't make me touch your dick. Me don't want touch.
Me not
No,
touch.
women are supposed to touch.
Me not make you touch that inappropriate for YouTube anyways. Me not make you touch me dick.
I'm not touching your ass. I'm not doing it.
What me do? You cannot, first of all, you cheat the game. You're not supposed to give what you're not supposed to touch. You're supposed to have an idea.
We can't afraid.
No, you cannot be afraid. Come. Come. Yeah, me not gonna make you touch me dick. It's dead anyways. My penis dead. So me not make nobody touch me dead penis. Yeah, tip say me have small hood.
Jesus Christ, the blood clot.
She said, I'm not touching your ass.
Like,
What was that? What the fuck was that?
Lego, man. Guess.
Is that your peck?
No, me not make you touch my pack.
Is that your nipple?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
We have one more to go. One more. This game went overboard. And please, this don't make me do nothing weird, man. For real, can you make me touch your damn ears or some shit like make me touch your nose?
So nasty. That
Alright.
shit was so nasty.
Anyways, you ready?
No.
Me not ready either. Can we feel like we do some weird shit?
Ya fucking ya pee. Ya blood clot.
Me not see no, me serious, me not see. Jelly, me not touch, hold on, you stand up, you know, that means your body dead, me not touch your body, you know. Oh my god. Oh. What is your panty? That feel like your pants.
No.
Your belly.
Yes.
Yes, your belly.
I'm sweating because this shit is uncomfortable.
We'll do one more last one.
Oh
Say
my
last
God,
one.
I can't take
Say
this.
last one. Yo, bro, they telling me this game epic, dog. Where me get this a game from?
Shit is inappropriate. I would. Yo.
She, man.
If you.
Chill, yo. Come, Deli, and don't drag your hand. You might cut me. You see your nails? Don't drag your hand. You go. You see me saying?
Wolverine.
You know what?
Let go your hand.
Don't touch me there. Touch me finger.
Don't
Touch my
me not make it-
fucking finger.
What?
Is that your tongue?
Yeah. Mijeezas.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Y'all
You're taking that overboard.
Yo, hey, no, that's the point of the game. We have to go up epic. You have to go epic. And yeah, people, so that's the end of the game. It actually take a turn on whenever I expected to go. It was a nasty game to be as it's touch my body challenge game. Deli, what do you think about the game?
I don't want to play that game there ever again.
Bro, if you like
I need
this,
to wash my hands.
if you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know what I mean? Join the Tabizzle Prime, the Tab Nation gang. Mijeezas. If you want to see other challenges, or you want more challenges with other females or Deli Fever herself, bro, just like and comment for part 2. Drop part 2 down below. And join the Mijeezas gang on the YouTube channel. You know what I mean? Madam Ball. Yo, Deli Fever, why you put my hand up in your nose hole, man? Shit.